We're eating at the U-Turn Bar and Restaurant.
Last time we went here 2 years ago with Juan and Andy.
Yeah, we ate here 2 years ago and it was outstanding. So we're gonna do it again today. Oh my God.
Coconut smoothie.
Coconut smoothie, look at the size of that.
That's why
Wow.
she said you can drink too.
So anyhow, we'll share our food with you whenever we get it. I ordered beef spaghetti and a cheesy garlic bread. And what did you order?
I want กะเพราหมู and
Okay.
ไข่ดาว
Okay, so we'll show them to you when we get them.
But it's coconut smoothie.
Yeah, nice. We're on the second floor of the U-Turn Bar and Restaurant in Koh Chang. It's a, yeah, it's a really nice place. Let's see if I can see the lower level from up here. You can see over there is a huge bar. This is really cheesy toast, mozzarella cheese, and the spaghetti is surprisingly good. I'm impressed with it.
Okay, enjoy your lunch. First meal at Koh Chang.
Okay, Jai has had a couple of bites already of her tak prao. What do you think?
Very good.
It's good, huh? Recommend it?
A little bit spicy.
I knew it would be spicy. I could see all them too. See the menu they have here, and that's only a part of it. They actually have a huge amount of food served here, and it's obviously very good because it's crowded in here. And the last time we were here, it was crowded like this as well. We're at the reception for the Coconut Beach Resort. You guys here checking in. You can see our room. Got the restroom here on the left. The wardrobe. Nice size room, pretty big. King size bed. Little fridge and a tiny TV and a balcony outside that overlooks the main street through town. A lotus are right across the street. They're cute little elephants they have here on the bed. Here, extra linen. Okay, if you're traveling down the road and you're looking for the Coconut Beach and Resort and Spa, you see the sign there and another sign here. And you can see it's private. Wake up. Wake up. Now straight over there is Chai Chet Resort. That's where we stayed last year. The tide is. No, it's not that swing.
Yes, yes.
Oh, it
I
is.
remember.
Oh, okay, yeah. Look how the beach has eroded. The beach wasn't eroded like this when we were here last time.
That is in November.
That's why you see all the sand has been pulled out.
Wow.
They need to come in here and dredge this sand and bring it back up again. Oh, Amigos. It just says Amigos Mexican restaurant.
This steak.
These are all places to eat, but I can't see. It's directly looking into the sun. You're being summoned to come eat.
Good. Good.
Mm.
Yes. Next one. Tom yum. Very good. Pop with garlic, big with garlic. Good. This one have Thai style. This one have spaghetti, have mango.
As you can see here, you can rent motorbikes. Has the sizes there. And you take a look at what condition they look like. Oh, it didn't record. Jai is having a Caesar salad. We're having light meal for dinner tonight because we had a pretty hefty lunch today. But we're gonna make it level it out with some Leo and wine cooler. And I'm having a spinach soup.
มานั่งข้างหน้าไหมครับตัวละ2 คนนะ
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
When the night was closing in, I was alone and so afraid. Couldn't see the light. No. Then my world began to spin. Where's the beginning and where's my omega? Have to make it right. Oh yeah. There's a moment when you know that every teardrop has to go. They be piling up inside. Inside there's a glow. Could this moment be meant to be? Lose the shadows and you'll see. Lose the shadows and be free. Black sunrise. Ain't gonna let it go. Let it go. No, there's no past, no tomorrow. You're lost in reflections. Dance with the starlight.
Okay, we're at day 2 today in Koh Chang, and Jai wants to go to the pier and look at some clothing, and we don't know for sure from there what we're going to do, but we do know we're going to take off right now and go eat breakfast. Okay, they're cooking fresh eggs to order. and make omelets and scrambled. It says smoked chicken. That doesn't look like smoked chicken. And chicken sausage. So maybe macaroni, stir-fried tofu. Plenty of Thai food. I'm just not a Thai food breakfast person. Place to do your toast. Okay, we didn't find anybody in the first store to even ask if they have my size, so we're going in the second store to see. Oh, they have for
Only M and L.
only for children.
No 4X.
Only for children. Do not try on swimsuits. Oh, barnacles. They're built up on the piers? Yeah, it's barnacles.
Room for rents here. Left side.
Fishing poles. Are you doing the talking? Huh? It's you? Aren't you a cute one? All right, rooms for rent. It's got all the stuff for people going out on a boat fishing trip. Ruan Thai seafood restaurant. They have a lot of stuff on their menus here with multiple pages. Wow. Big ones. There's private boat tours here. Manasamud tour.
That's why that land said.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
See? No road.
So we are where? Where's Bang Bao? Oh, it's right here. Okay, so we're right down here. Almost at the end. And this is one heck of a road coming up through here. Yeah, the first time we ended up over here. that was not good. The road coming in here doesn't even show it. So maybe today or tomorrow we're going to come all the way around over to this side. Take a look over here. I've never been over there.
Drive, we go that side
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Yeah, and the
that's it.
ferry comes in right up here. So we came down this way.
We are
Tomorrow we'll go around this way.
around here. The Chai Chet around here.
Yeah, Chai Chet right there.
Yeah, Chai Chet. Here
So
we are
we're
here.
we're here.
We can drive here.
Yeah.
Go tomorrow for that side.
Oh, here's the tour prices. I'm really kind of surprised that so much of it is closed down. Look at all the boats that are just sitting. It's off season, so that's a shame. Even if I wanted to go on a boat, we missed the last one that went out. Wouldn't be able to get on one now for 2 hours. We feel kind of bad coming here today. It's last time we were here, it was so many more people, much more crowded. You can tell the economy is hurting the area. Plus, it's off season, so I think it's like the first or second day after the main holiday that ends their season. So, I mean, it's okay if you want to come just to see it, but we enjoyed it here. We're waiting for the rain to quit so we can get back to our pickup. It's not far away, but I got soaked going from there to here. When we're finished, I want to go back, but we're going to wait. You see the sky, it looks like it's going to clear up.